Would you like to be able to quickly resize your best images so you can easily use them across different channels to promote your tourism business? With Canva's free design tool, you can do just that in a couple of clicks. Hi, I'm Catherine, and in this video I will show you how to quickly resize your images and entire designs in Canva. So let's get started. First, open your Canva account. Let's create a design with the dimensions that you need for your resized image. Canva gives you an option to select one of the preset templates or input your own custom size. The great thing is that you can always check the dimensions of different templates by hovering over them. Let's say you want to use an image from the latest photo shoot to promote your tours on Instagram. You can either select the Instagram post template here or enter the size directly. An Instagram post is 1080 by 1080 pixels, so let's enter that. There you go. Now, upload the image that you'd like to resize from your computer. Once uploaded, you can find it in your Uploads tab. Now, simply drag it to your design, and Canva will automatically resize it. If you want to adjust what part of the image is shown, simply click on Crop and move it as you need. Now, all you need to do is download it. Go to Share, select Download, and pick a format. It's good to use PNG to preserve the image's quality. And there you have it, a resized image that you can use to promote your business. But what if you want to resize an existing Canva design that you want to use on a different channel? For example, you have this Facebook post here that promotes your special offer, and you want to use it on Instagram. There is a way to do it. Keep the design open and open your Canva in a different tab or window. Select the design size you need. In this case, let's pick an Instagram post. Make sure to clearly name your designs so you can easily distinguish between the two. Now go to your original design. Hold and drag your mouse outside of the canvas to select all the elements. Now click Group to make sure they all stay connected. Right-click on your group and select Copy. Now go to your new Instagram design. Right-click on the canvas and select Paste. And there you go. All of your design elements are safely migrated to this new post. Keep in mind that Canva doesn't copy the background color or image. So, if your original design had one, you would have to add it to your new design as well. If you want, you can resize all the elements together to fit the new format, or click Ungroup and move them around one by one. And there you have it, a perfectly resized design ready to be used to promote your business. In other videos, we will show you how to save time by using a branded template when creating a Canva design and how to add custom elements like your logo. I'll see you next time. And don't forget, for more great content, check out the Keep Discovering Toolkit on the Marketing Toolbox.